What's up, adventurers? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're in for an adrenaline-pumping ride as we embark on an epic buggy driving adventure through the stunning landscapes of Doi Saket. We've got 14 kilometers of pure excitement ahead of us, filled with wild trails, amazing views, and some super cool stops. So fasten your seatbelts and let's hit the gas. We're kicking off our adventure right here at the base, just a few hundred meters down this village road, and boom, we're diving straight into a lush green forest. Let's see what these buggies can do. First stop, check this out, the Reservoir at Khrai National Park. The views here are next level, perfect spot for a quick photo op. Let's snap some epic shots. Back on the road, and we're not slowing down. We've got about 45 minutes of wild driving ahead of us, dodging trees, splashing through streams. This is what buggy driving is all about. Next up, Doi Saket Hot Spring, let's roll. We've made it to the hot spring. Now this isn't just any hot spring. Here we're boiling eggs in mineral-rich water. It's a local tradition. Takes about 15 to 20 minutes, so in the meantime, we're kicking back and soaking our feet. Let's chill. Feeling recharged, we're back in our buggies and on the move. Just 15 minutes to go before we hit the coolest cafe ever. Whoa, this place is amazing. It's got everything, a treehouse, rope bridge, and even a natural playground for the kids, and the vibe, super chill. Perfect spot for a coffee break. Let's take it all in. Alright, adventure crew, time to head back, but don't worry, the fun isn't over yet. We're taking the scenic route filled with strange and beautiful trees and some rough rocky roads. We'll definitely be making a few stops for more epic photos. Thanks for riding along with us today. If you loved this adventure, make sure to give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment about where we should go next. And hey, why not come experience this epic adventure for yourself? See you in the next video. Stay adventurous.